Hey, yo, Twitch. What's good, Twitch? Twitch.tv/smAsho is where this video originally was streamed live. And so we're starting things out with me vanishing and looking at the jet streams of the eastern portion of planet Earth. If you're on this portion of the map, please leave us a comment and let us know where you're located. Anyway, that's the jet stream scenario. Quite chaotic here in the northern hemisphere. How about the surface winds for the eastern world? There you can see some strong low pressures there around the Aleutian Islands and south of Alaska, as well as south of Australia. Let's rotate the planet to look at the western portion of it. And there you go. There are the surface winds of western Earth. A low pressure system here off of the mid-Atlantic states there. Southeast of Cape Cod. Here are the jet streams of the western world. A massive anticyclone out here. And the jet stream largely staying north of the U.S. here, splitting up. Chaotic jet streams continue in the northern hemisphere, a little bit more organized in the south. Here's our weather.gov map, and we've got some frost advisories here in northern Minnesota once again. For some reason, they're not even showing up in the key. Let me press refresh again. Frost advisories there in northern Minnesota. Apparently, the planet is so hot that it's cold. If your county's lit up, click on it, weather.gov. Here's your NASA Goes lightning mapper. Not a whole lot of lightning across the U.S., but quite a bit in Mexico and in the Gulf. Here's a real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org, powered by blitzachtung.org. Go ahead, say it aloud. You'll feel better. Just say it aloud, folks. And we do see some terrestrial lightning here, southeast of Memphis, and some west of Memphis. Also, one stray bolt. There's lightning near Memphis. Do you really see the thunder rolling in? Continuing on to look at pressure cells. Here we are on windy.com. They've got a great mobile app, by the way. Windy.com, the great free mobile app. I use it on the regs. Anyway, that's where pressure cells are currently located. We're going to advance this into tomorrow. There's where we expect pressure to be according to the European forecast at 12 noon Eastern Daylight Time tomorrow. That low pressure system moving up toward Nova Scotia, where there's a bunch of hosers. Next, looking at this simple water vapor map here on the NexRad. And not all that much moisture over the U.S., quite a bit over the Gulf and over the North Atlantic, and quite a bit of low pressure here over Canada also. Also, check this out here. The orographic lifting going there over the Canadian Rockies. What a spectacular place. Next, looking at the U.S. Doppler radar map, and we've got quite a bit of showers here over the eastern portion of the U.S., some heavy rains over places like Portland and Seattle. It's radar.weather.gov if you're wondering. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. It's the shortwave radiation map on the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. Check out all the moisture over the Gulf, yowzers. And here's an even better view of what's going on in the atmosphere. It's the water vapor map, showing you water vapor that's not even condensed onto clouds. It's just showing you all the water vapor. Turbulence going on in the Gulf of Mexico. Lots of convective forces at play there. And here's your weather recap. That's radar.weather.gov. Here's the cloud layer, the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Shortwave Radiation Map, showing you clouds and fog when it's too dark to see them with the visible. And here's your water vapor map. And thanks for tuning in to today's meteorology segment. Make sure you press like, subscribe, etc. Tell your friends and foes about the content. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network. least busted. Name and news.